Hi, welcome to 40 Fridays of Fundamental Science Experiments with Rohini. Till 1950, the ocean floor was thought to be a flat mud bed. But then along came a woman oceanographer, Mary Tharp. Back then, women were not allowed in boats or for research, and she had to stay on the shore. But her partner, he went into the oceans and then, using sonar measurements, he brought back data. In a sonar measurement, what you do is you send a sound pulse into the ocean, and the moment the sound pulse hits the bottom of the ocean, it is reflected back and it is caught by a transducer on the boat. That way, the depth of the ocean is mapped. This data he gave to his colleague, Mary Tharp. And then she sat in her room and analyzed this data. And she was the first one to say that, or to prove that, ocean floor is not a flat mud bed, but is made of ridges and canyons and mountains, just like land. Of course, sailors saw sandbeds and ridges and all that, but she was the first one to map it. In 1957, she mapped the North Atlantic Ocean, and in 1961, the South, and in 1964, she mapped the Indian Ocean, and by 77, she mapped the ocean floor of the entire world. Of course, you can see such maps with the ocean floor marked in latest atlases. And that was not the end of Mary Tharp's contribution. She also said that when she was analyzing this data and preparing the ocean floor map, she saw that there was a huge 40,000 mile deep ridge running across the globe. So she supported the concept of continental drift proposed by Alfred Wegener in the 1880s. And this is how the ocean floor looks with the tectonic plate background, which supports the continental drift theory. She was the first ocean floor cartographer ever in history. Thank you.